Okay, here we go. Pumpkin cupcakes. Pumpkin cupcakes filled with cream cheese. Here are all the ingredients. So feel free to stop the video, rewind, and check the ingredients one by one. So what do we need? We need a full bar of cream cheese here, 8 ounces of cream cheese. You need a pumpkin puree that I bought in this can here, and then the pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna use 3 large eggs. All these measurement cups and things, the whisk and everything, heavy cream here, and you need enough bowls to do all the mixings. Baking soda and baking powder, 2 different things. Baking soda and baking powder, and you need all-purpose flour there, and then regular salt. We also need pumpkin pie spice and vanilla extract, just like that. And the powdered sugar, 10 eggs, powdered white sugar, and light brown or brown sugar. That's to your liking. Here are all the ingredients. Feel free to stop it and review the ingredients again. So we'll go step by step. In a big container here, I'm going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, just like that. And then I'm going to use the regular sugar, granulated sugar. I'm going to use 1 cup here, 1 full cup. So 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, and then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Pumpkin spice, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon here. Pumpkin spice, I'm actually going to put 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And then baking soda, a teaspoon, and baking powder, a teaspoon as well. And then salt, we're gonna use 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There you have it. We're gonna mix these dry ingredients. These are the dry ingredients. You're gonna just make sure that they all mix together, and we're gonna put this aside and continue with the others. Do not mix anything wet here yet. So the dry ingredients, we're gonna put them here to the side. Take another bowl here, another container, and we're gonna start mixing our wet ingredients. So the pumpkin puree here, 100% pumpkin puree, 15 ounces, 15 ounces. Then I'm gonna add 2 whole eggs there, and I'm gonna add 1/2 cup, or 1/4 cup actually, of oil, regular oil. And then the heavy cream, I'm gonna add same thing, about a 1/4 cup of cream, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're gonna mix all these wet ingredients, making sure everything is well incorporated there, breaking the eggs and everything. So you mix all the wet ingredients here, just like that. We're mixing all the wet ingredients together. Make sure you mix them good. Make sure you like this video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Take all your contacts in your phone and send them my link to the YouTube channel, so they can all enjoy this beautiful channel with so many recipes. We're over 200 recipes so far. So we're gonna add the dry ingredients 1 cup at a time. We don't want to make a mess here. So 1 cup at a time, we're gonna bring the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So we're gonna make sure that this is all well mixed. So 1 cup at a time. This is a beautiful recipe, very savory for the Thanksgiving season, but also it's very good for any time of the year. So I'm publishing this one for Thanksgiving, but you can actually have this any time of the year. These are the ones they sell at Starbucks, and they're very, very, very popular. They are pumpkin cupcakes filled with cream cheese, and they are super, super, super good. So we're gonna make sure that all these ingredients are well mixed, the wet and the dry ingredients, until there are no bumps here in our dough, and just make sure that they're well mixed. And that should be it. This is ready. This is the consistency that we're looking for before putting it in the actual cupcakes cups there. So I'm gonna take another bowl here. For this is gonna be for the filling. So I'm gonna take the whole bar of cream cheese at room temperature, so it is actually softer. And then vanilla, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then a whole egg goes in there. And this is 2 teaspoons of white sugar, white powder sugar. And we're just gonna break this over so everything is well incorporated. So using a fork, you gotta make sure that you break that cream cheese and then incorporate everything together. Just making sure that everything is well mixed, just like this. This is how it should look, and this is ready for the filling. There you have it. This is gonna be the cream cheese filling. So it is cream cheese, vanilla, white sugar, and egg. The egg's gonna help that the cheese doesn't melt all over when you're cooking this. So I'm gonna line my cupcake mold here. I'm gonna line it with these cupcake holders, and I have 12 here. I think it's gonna be a little bit over 12, so we're gonna start with these 12 first. So making sure that you line them all up just like that. And now using an ice cream server or even a big teaspoon, we're gonna add our dough here right in the middle of that cupcake liner. And you're gonna fill it almost all the way to the top, but do not get all the way to the top. Not all the way to it. So you gotta leave that little space there because these are gonna puff up when we're baking them, and you'll see how they look beautiful at the end. So you can use an ice cream scooper like this, or you can just use a regular big spoon. All you want to do is make sure that the dough goes in there and it's almost to the top. Almost to the top, but not all the way up to the top. It's almost like that. You see I leave that little lip there? That's the perfect size. And I have 12 plus 2 more, so I got 14 cupcakes out of this mixture. And the cream cheese filling, I put them in a Ziploc here because I didn't have one of those baking things, fancy things. You just grab a freaking Ziploc bag and cut the corner, and it serves the same purpose. So with a little spoon here, I'm gonna make a little indentation here because I'm gonna put the cream cheese filling in there, pushing a little bit down so the cream cheese actually goes all the way down into the dough, like halfway in there. You see how it looks? That's what you're looking for. So again, I'm gonna do another one here, little indentation there to start it, and then I'm gonna just put cream cheese in there, making sure it goes like halfway in there, and that should be enough. Do not go crazy on this because you're gonna run out of your filling. So I did the same thing with all my cupcakes here. There you have them, all of them with the cream cheese filling right in the middle before cooking. This is how they should look. This is actually before we cook them. So this is gonna be so awesome when we're done. You'll see. Just follow me. We're almost there, and it's gonna be something that you say, "Oh, I made this myself." So you set the oven to 375 degrees, 375 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna use my pumpkin seeds here, just as decoration. I'm gonna sprinkle them a little bit all around my cupcakes here. This is optional. You can put more, you can put less. This is just my idea, so I'm gonna use some of these pumpkin seeds, and I'm gonna decorate my cupcakes here. There you go. Doing the same thing with all of them. This is how they should look right before going into the oven. So we go to the oven, 375 Fahrenheit. 375 Fahrenheit. Just put it there in the middle of the oven. 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, and there you have it. After 20 minutes at 375, we're gonna take them out. Just take them out just like that. Look how beautiful they look. And wait till you taste them. Well, wait till you taste them. You're gonna be so surprised. These are so good. These are almost addictive. You're not gonna go back again to Starbucks. You're gonna make them your own all the time. You're gonna bring them to your office. These are super delicious pumpkin cupcakes filled with cream cheese. So with a little wood stick here, I want to make sure that they are cooked. So you stick them in there, and if it comes out clean, then they're done. So that was after 20 minutes at 375. And there you have it. This is how they should look after you bake them. Look how beautiful they are. You see, if we open it, one of these here in the middle, you see how the cream cheese went almost like halfway in there. That's what you want. If you want more, you can put more, but this is to my liking. Beautiful. There you have it. And of course, we taste everything here after we cook. So let's try. This is still smoking, so hot. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The best pumpkin cupcake filled with cream cheese that you have ever tasted. I guarantee that. And there you have it. There you have it. Pumpkin cupcakes filled with cream cheese. I'll see you next time.